Have you ever pondered the true importance of independence in life? Independence. It's a word that holds a deep reservoir of meaning within its 3 syllables. It's more than just a state of being. It's a journey, a process, a transformation. Independence is the ability to stand firm on your own 2 feet, to make decisions and take responsibility for your actions without leaning on others as a crutch. It's about being the master of your own destiny and steering your life ship through the turbulent seas and calm waters alike. Now, why is independence so crucial? Well, it's the cornerstone of personal growth. When you're independent, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're not just existing, you're truly living. You're exploring, creating, learning, growing, and evolving. Independence empowers you to take risks, to venture out of your comfort zone, and to seize the opportunities that life tosses your way. It gives you the freedom to chart your own course, to follow your passion, and to live in alignment with your values and beliefs. But independence isn't about isolation. It isn't about building walls around yourself and cutting off from the world. No, it's about cultivating self-reliance while maintaining the humility to seek help when needed. It's about acknowledging that while others can walk with you, they can't walk for you. Independence is also about taking responsibility. It's about owning your decisions, your successes, and your failures. It's about learning from every stumble, every fall, and using those lessons to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. And the journey towards independence? Well, it begins with understanding yourself. It begins with peeling back the layers of your personality and diving deep into the core of who you are. It begins with introspection, reflection, and self-awareness. So the next time you find yourself at a crossroads, remember that the path to independence might be the road less traveled, but it's a road worth taking. It's a road that leads to growth, self-reliance, and a life lived on your own terms. Undoubtedly, learning to stand alone is a crucial skill, and the journey begins with understanding oneself. Understanding oneself is the first step towards independence. Self-awareness is not merely about identifying your favorite color or food. It delves much deeper. It's about recognizing your strengths and acknowledging your weaknesses. It's about understanding your core values, the principles that guide your actions. It's about knowing your goals, those aspirations that keep you motivated and give your life direction. Think of self-awareness as a journey within, a voyage where you are both the traveler and the destination. You discover aspects of yourself that were previously hidden or neglected. You learn about your emotional triggers, your coping mechanisms, and your response to different situations. Self-awareness also involves accepting your imperfections and celebrating your uniqueness. It's about respecting your own pace of growth and not comparing yourself with others. It's about understanding that your journey is unique and so is everyone else's. As we continue to understand ourselves better, we nurture our seed of independence. Confidence is the backbone of standing alone. It's the catalyst that propels us forward, the pillar that keeps us upright when life becomes a whirlwind. But how do we build this essential quality? It starts by focusing on your personal achievements. Remember those moments when you overcame a challenge or reached a target you set for yourself. These are your victories, your proof of resilience and capability. Next, make sure your goals are realistic. They should stretch you but not break you, providing a balance between ambition and feasibility. Running a marathon might be an eventual aim, but start with a 5-kilometer jog first. Lastly, challenge yourself. Step out of your comfort zone and tackle something you've been avoiding. It might be a difficult conversation, a new skill, or a daunting task. Embrace the challenge, for it's in these moments we truly grow. With each success, your confidence and ability to stand alone will grow. The ability to make decisions and solve problems is the cornerstone of independence. Take a moment to reflect on this. Our lives are a constant stream of decisions and problems. From the small choices like what to have for breakfast to more significant ones like choosing a career path, we are constantly making decisions. And with each decision comes a problem to solve, a challenge to overcome. But what is it about decision-making that makes it so crucial for standing alone in life? Well, it's simple. When we make decisions, we are taking charge. We are declaring, this is my life, and I am the one who's going to steer it. It's about being the captain of your own ship, navigating through the stormy seas of life with confidence and determination. This is not to say that decision-making is easy. Far from it. It involves weighing the pros and cons, considering the implications, and sometimes taking risks. And yes, we will make mistakes. We'll take wrong turns, hit dead ends, and sometimes even crash. But that's okay, because with each mistake we learn, we grow, we become better navigators. Problem solving goes hand in hand with decision making. It's about breaking down challenges into manageable steps, finding solutions, and most importantly, taking responsibility for resolving them. It's about being resourceful, creative, and resilient. It's about facing life's hurdles head-on and saying, "I got this." The beauty of problem solving is that it empowers us. It gives us the confidence to face any challenge, no matter how daunting it may seem. It makes us realize that we are capable, that we have the power to overcome anything that life throws our way. So, practice making decisions. Embrace problem solving. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Remember, each mistake is a lesson learned, a step towards becoming a better navigator of your life. And as you master these skills, you'll find that you're not just surviving life, you're thriving in it. As we master these skills, we become better equipped to navigate life's challenges independently. Financial independence is a key aspect of standing alone in life. It's about more than just earning a paycheck. It's about understanding how money works and making it work for you. Budgeting is the first step. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you want to spend it. This can help you avoid debt and save for the future. Saving is about more than just putting money aside. It's about making a plan for the future and sticking to it. Whether it's for a home, an education, or just a rainy day, saving can provide a sense of security and freedom. Managing finances involves understanding investments, interest rates, and taxes. It's about making informed decisions that can help your money grow. And remember, financial literacy isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. Gaining financial literacy is a significant stride towards independence. Standing alone requires emotional resilience and self-care. This is a truth that we all must embrace. It's not about avoiding life's challenges, but rather about developing the strength to face them head-on and bounce back from adversity. Emotional resilience is that inner fortitude that allows us to navigate through the stormy seas of life and come out on the other side stronger and wiser. Handling setbacks, stress, and negative emotions in a healthy way is a crucial aspect of emotional resilience. Life will inevitably throw curveballs our way. It's not the absence of these challenges that defines us, but how we respond to them. When we encounter a setback, instead of seeing it as a failure, we can choose to see it as an opportunity for growth, a lesson to be learned. It's about shifting our perspective and embracing a growth mindset. Stress and negative emotions, on the other hand, are a part of the human experience. However, it's essential to manage them in a way that doesn't undermine our well-being. This might involve employing strategies like mindfulness, meditation, or seeking professional help when necessary. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. It doesn't make us weak, it makes us human. Now, let's talk about self-care. Maintaining our physical and mental health is paramount. Our bodies and minds are the vehicles through which we experience life. By taking care of them, we are better equipped to stand alone. This might mean eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, ensuring we get adequate sleep, or engaging in activities that nourish our soul. It's about honoring our needs and making ourselves a priority. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's a necessity. It's about giving ourselves the care and attention that we so freely give to others. It's about filling our own cup first, so we can pour into others without depleting ourselves. As we cultivate emotional resilience and prioritize self-care, we become more capable of standing alone. So, let's keep building that resilience. Let's keep taking care of ourselves, and let's keep standing tall because we've got this. Independence is a journey, not a destination. It's a path that requires persistence, much like a river carving its way through a mountain. It's about not giving up, even when the road gets tough, and continuously learning and growing from our experiences. But let's not forget about setting boundaries. They are the invisible fences that protect our mental and emotional space, allowing us to keep our focus sharp and our energy undiluted. Saying no when necessary is not a sign of weakness, but rather, it's a testament to our strength and self-respect. And while the essence of independence is self-reliance, remember that we are not islands. Building a support network of family, friends, mentors, and groups who share our journey can be our safety net, providing guidance and reassurance when we need it. As we embrace the journey of independence, we learn to live life on our terms, making decisions that align with our values and goals.